What's your name?
Alright, man.
What's your name?
My name is Isaac, man.
Ozzy, how long you been down here?
I've been down here. To be honest with you,
Yeah.
I only been down here. It's my first night, man.
This your first night?
Yeah.
And they got you out here screaming?
Yeah. Well, look.
Where you from? Where you from?
I ain't gonna say they got me out here.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I got myself out here.
I feel that.
From
Where you from?
I'm from wherever I lay my head is my home.
I hear that.
I'm from all over, bro. You know what I mean? But when I was a kid, I was with my grandma. I was in the country area, Harrisonville.
So how you get down here under the bridge?